Hey guys, today I have another VR accessories video for you for the Pimax Crystal Super. I have the VR Rock prescription lenses and they have magnetic design, and in this video I'll show you how to assemble that and how much they cost. In the description you will find a 10% coupon code. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
So guys, let's first do an unboxing. So this is the box here, looks pretty nice. And when I open that, we have like this cases here where you can carry them wherever you want. And then we have a cleaning cloth for the lenses and of course the lenses themselves. So let's have a look. Here we go, two of them of course. So this is left one. And here is the right one. I will show it to you. Oh, sorry for the fingerprints here. This is how it looks. It's a magnetic design. So this will be mounted to the Crystal Super and then click. Yeah, really nice. I will show it to you with the right lens now. So of course you have to remove the facial interface. It's easier then. And then let me just only use that. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky to find the right position. Oh no, that was fast. Okay, here you go. This is the right position here for the holder of the lenses. You see that here, and then of course just put it on the magnets. This is how it looks. Oh, of course, due to the size here, you will be more far away from the displays, and that makes the field of view a little bit smaller, but it's not as small as if you use your own glasses, of course. That's really nice. And the same with the left. Let me see that I can do it right here. Yeah, should be right. Look at this. Here, left and right. See that? So put that here. Back, and now of course it depends on your IPD if it's comfortable or not so comfortable. For me, to be honest, I have the smallest IPD, like 59, and then when I put it on, the lenses touch my nose a little bit. Yeah, I cannot change it. It's due to my strange face. I mean, it's not so bad. It works. When I put it, when I use the strap here, it's even better. It's still okay, yeah. But here it touches my nose a little bit. If you have an IPD like 61 or higher, then you don't even feel it, yeah. But yeah, you see the size here of the lenses. However, they are really nice. I think is there even another prescription lenses for the Crystal Super right now? I'm not sure. However, these ones are from VR Rock, and they have the magnetic design as I showed you, and the price depends on the strength of your prescription, of course. So if you just need plano lenses with, for example, anti-blue light filter or so, it starts from $39. And if you have the absolute maximum prescription with all the other effects, then it goes up to $409. Yeah, the people that wear glasses, they know the prices, of course. Yeah, but most people won't pay so much, yeah, because they don't have this big prescription needs. However, guys, if you want to buy them, in the description you will find a 10% coupon code. It's called VoodooDE 10. You can also find it in the pinned comment, and then you can save 10% at least. Yeah, when you pay like $400, the 10% coupon code is really nice. So in my opinion, they are really good, and also it's great that you don't have to wear your own glasses. So still, of course, you will lose some field of view, but not as much as with your glasses. And that's really nice. It's really great. Also, you don't have any reflections or so. Yeah. Really nice. These lenses that I have here, they are without prescription, just with anti-blue light filter, because I don't need prescription. Really great. I love the products from VR Rock. As I said, you can find the links in the description. Also for the Pimax Crystal Super, you can save a little bit. Yeah, also check out my other hardware accessories. See you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE